Hi there. So today I wanted to show you two ways that I can do my brows with Maskcara Beauty. To get started, I always like to brush my brows in place. So I use this tool here. This is called Soap Brows. This is from West Barn Co. This is not Maskcara Beauty, but I absolutely love it. It comes like this, like a glycerin soap. I spray it to get it wet, and then I take a spoolie and I just rub the spoolie in it, and you get this like waxy substance type thing on the spoolie, and I brush that through my brows. And I'm brushing up. I like to make sure I get a good coating of it, especially on this eye. That is my more wonky eye. And then you gotta let it sit for like a minute so that it starts to dry, and then it becomes tacky and moldable. Okay, now that that's in place, they're here, I can just take this clean spoolie and just make sure that they're exactly how I want them. And I get a clear indication of where I'm going to be filling in my brows. So at the beginning, you just want to make sure you're mapping out your brows, cleaning up any areas that might need plucked or groomed. And if you don't, go get them professionally groomed. Okay, so key to your eye shape is the beginning of your brow should start right here. The arch, if you put the angle it here on your nose and across your iris, that's where the arch goes. And then that's where it's going to end. So that's kind of like the natural progression of where you place your brow. So to start, I'm gonna take my contour. I'm gonna use this color here. It's called Indigo. If I do fill in my brows with contour, sometimes I use Astoria, which is my main contour. Sometimes I use Indigo. And actually, a lot of times I will use a color called Cola. So it just kind of depends. There are different ranges and darkness. If you want help picking out a contour that's good for your brows, let me know and I can help you with that. So we're just going to start. I'm going to map out. That was the beginning. Here's my arch there, and then the ending. So I'm just going to go like this and kind of stamp it. So it's kind of like showing me where I'm ending my brow. All right, so now that that's mapped out, I know exactly where I'm gonna be placing them and how to finish it, start and end. Okay, so I'm gonna show you on this side with my contour first to show you how that looks. I'm using the Hotline brush. This is with Maskcara Beauty. I recommend it. It's really amazing. It's got a small dense end here and a spoolie end. So it makes it really easy to get really precise and draw it out. So what I like to do is draw on the bottom and have this bottom line be a little bit more defined, and then the upper side a bit more natural looking. So you can see, like, I like to make sure this arch is drawn, and then we're gonna finish it right there. So, and then I just take it again on the top here on the arch, and then fill in, not taking any more product. I'm just taking whatever was on my brush and we're just filling this in. So if you're wanting a more solid brow, go with the contour. You're gonna get more of that filled in look like you would get with like a brow pomade or something like that. If you want something more natural, stick to an eyeshadow. And if you want to know an eyeshadow that you can use, I can help you choose as well. There's a lot of really good ones. Bird is a good color if you've got red in your hair. Oak is a really good one for blondes. I use Kohl, but then Trust is also a really good one for brunettes or dark dirty blonde hair. And so, all right, so that's it. You can finish it by making sure it's brushed and good. So that's with the contour. You can see it's kind of, hold on, I missed this spot here. There we go. And that's that brow. Now I'm going to show you on the other side using a powder. And you can also take, and then I'll show you how you can set this with a powder as well using both. So I'm just going to go into this color. This is called Coal here. This is my color I love to use. And same thing, we're going to start here on this bottom area. And I'm just mapping out my arch. This side has less hair, so it requires a little more finagling. And then complete the arch on top. Just like that. And then again in the front, just kind of line the bottom a bit and then scoop this up for some hair-like strokes in the front. And there we go. And then for this side, you can go back in on top with the powder if you want to do both. And what this will do, it will really solidify it. That contour will not budge. And you get like a really, really defined brow. So I kind of like doing, if I'm gonna do contour, I like to finish it with the powder at the end as well. So that's that brow. And that's that brow. You can kind of see the difference. This one, it looks softer and more feathered, and this one looks more drawn. So you can kind of decide which way you like to have them. I hope that was helpful. They really do frame your face and make you look, your makeup look complete. So at the end, what I like to do is you can take the multitasker brush and go into your brightening shade, whatever you use as a concealer shade on your face, and you can go in. And there we go. All done. You can just make sure that that's blended away and your brows are nice and neat. And all done. I hope that was helpful. I hope you now have a better understanding of how you want to fill in your brows. Again, I use the Hotline tool, my Maskcara Beauty. If you are interested in the face makeup that I'm wearing as well, I can color match you. It's really super simple. You just send me in a picture and I can help you customize your compact and get your foundation. Have a great day and thanks for watching.